Hey, welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. And Dorito. Taco flavor. Cool. Hey, this isn't sponsored by Dorito or anything, you know. I mean, it should be, you know, Frito-Lay. All right, I digress. Back to what we're doing. Today, I am putting the electrical box on the bike. Deciding where I'm going to put it. It's going to house the ignition, the starter switch, the high beam light switch. Yeah, come on, let me show you what I'm doing. All right, oh, right here, look at that. That's a fancy seat, it's fast. It's got the flames, that's why I spin around so fast in the beginning. All right, this is what I went and got. I got me a Diablo hole saw here, so that what this can do is, it's the same size as the down tube on the bike. Heard good things about Diablo, never tried them, so I went and got this so that my bracket will have the right radius on it so that I can, you know, weld it up a lot better. Let me see, right here, this is so I can cut my plate steel to make my bracket out of. I'm going to give this a shot. I've heard these are really good. Okay, and what I got here is I have, this is going to be my electronics box. It's going to face forward with the front door towards the forward. Let me show you this real quick. I'm going to take and I'm going to try to Aluma weld these two up. I'm going to see how that goes because I'm not going to be using the two center ones, only the four on the outside. In the box, what I'm going to do is on this side, I'm going to have the push button start, and I am going to have the high beam switch, and on this side, so my left hand can reach down, that's to turn the ignition switch to on. So where the key goes. So yeah, and let me show you over here. This is the plate steel. I would have bought this plate steel. I picked this up for 25 cents a pound. It was nothing. It's 11 gauge. 11 gauge is about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ought to be able to make the bracket because there's not going to be much weight in that aluminum box. So yeah. All right, here's what I'm doing. Put it up out of the way. Get these things out of there. Okay. I'm going to mount this box right up under here, straight up and down like that. And if I do it this way, that's going to put it, I won't be able to get the cover off unless I put it way down here, and that's going to interfere with my battery. So I'm putting it on this way, and I've already measured it. I've got almost 1/2 inch right here that I can undo these screws, pop that cover off and pull it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach to this up bar. I'm going to attach my bracket onto here, come over to the top of this. It's going to spread out so I can put 4 screws to hold this, and it's going to lap over and get welded onto this cross piece here too. So that should be sturdy enough to hold it right there. And then I'll put rubber grommets in the bottom for my wires to come out. Everything's right here where it should be. Let me see. I may drill through the frame. I may go in down here and go up through the frame and pop out in front of the gas tank for the headlight. I'm not sure about that. I got plenty of room underneath the gas tank, so I don't have to, you know, drill through the frame if I don't want to. So we'll see how good it looks. That'll be right before I do the electrical. So there we go. All right, guys, let's get on it.
I've noticed when using this Aluma weld on the cast aluminum, you got to be a little careful overheating that cast aluminum. decided to go with old Trusty there, the old Black & Decker. Ooh, slow motion. Sparks, yeah, getting fancy. Sometimes you just gotta hit it with a hammer. Ooh, look at that right there. Man, that's some precision machining, buddy. Woo! For your viewing pleasure, here's some more holes. I'm going to drill some holes. Come on, come on. I know there's some oil in there. Come on, baby.